Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Doing a video walkthrough of our 2024 Bennington Pontoon. This is a SX 22-foot radius seating. So up front we got the radius bench seating, removable nice table here with the nice wood trim, bezeled cup holders. Got the co-captain chairs, got the nice cup holders here for the co-captain. Awesome reclining, swiveling captain chairs with armrests. Over here at the bow, at the helm here, we got the Garmin with the Rockford Fosgate. This does have the powered bimini, so up and down real easy if you need to go under a bridge or storage in the garage, something like that. And then because this is the radius seating, we got the lounge radius seats in the back. Great boat. It's going to have 150 horsepower Yamaha on it. Boat holds 12 people. Huge, awesome open layout, 10-foot bimini. Great boat. Come on out to MarineMax. We have lots and lots and lots of Benningtons in stock. This will be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Or better yet, just come on into the store and check this boat out for yourself. This is a 22-foot SX Series Bennington Pontoon, Yamaha 150. Thank you.